So welcome to lesson 1.4, which is about sources. If I'm interested in theoretical history, how do I find out about it? How do I keep an eye on what's going on? Well, the first thing is to look at people's bibliographies. If you've got a paper dealing with some aspect of theoretical history, look through the bibliography, and that will lead you to other papers and books that might be of interest. If you've got my book, there's a massive bibliography at the end. And often you can find these papers for free on the internet. People upload their papers to things like ResearchGate, academia.edu, Semantic Scholar. So you may be able to find them there. But of course, just looking at bibliographies is only going to tell you about what's been published in the past and doesn't keep you abreast as to what's appearing now. So you also want to be keeping an eye on the journals in this area. So I'll list a few of them here. A good place to start is the website sociostudies.org, which is a Russian website and has links to many journals. Examples are History and Mathematics, Social Evolution and History, Kondrachev, Waves, Kondrachev Waves. Kondrachev is another Russian theoretical historian who is interested in ups and downs in the economy, waves in the economy. He is of the early 20th century. And so that journal deals with these kinds of cyclical processes in economics, but not just economics, also in society, politics and conflict, because Kondrachev saw these as all related. Then another good one is, I should say, some of these are free. You'll find the PDFs, free PDFs for these. History and Mathematics, I think they've now developed a policy of putting up their articles as free PDFs, but some of the earlier journals you'll find that they're not available, but you may still be able to get them elsewhere on the internet. Then Cliodynamics, the journal founded by Peter Turchin, Cliodynamics, the Journal of Quantitative History and Cultural Evolution, to give it its full title. That's, just Google it, you'll find that journal, and that is completely free. You can either read the articles online or download them as PDFs, and also the authors share their data usually, so you can get the data and have a go yourself, explore it for yourself. Then there's Peter Turchin's blog, which he calls Cliodynamica, and he publishes on that articles by himself, and also I think sometimes he has guest contributors, so that will keep you very much up to date with what current thinking in the area of cliodynamics, theoretical history. Another journal to mention is called Structure and Dynamics. So this is Structure and Dynamics, typically in history and society, and it's a sister journal to Cliodynamics. Cliodynamics, I think, sort of uses the same format, and again, all the articles are free, and you can read them online or download them. Another free journal is the Journal of World system research, which is, as you can tell by its name, interested in global long-term historical processes. And lastly, a journal that isn't free, but is nevertheless of great interest, is Technological Forecasting and Social Change. And many theoretical historians have published in that journal, and it very much has a policy of, scientific, quantitative approaches to these issues of the evolution of technology and its effects on the evolution of society. So that's not a complete list, but it's a good place to start. And then from there, you can find, as I say, through bibliographies, other papers and other journals.